Okay, welcome back to Thai Days. How you doing? Good.
Yeah.
Hey, today we're at Wat Khema.
have.
Again, special guest Sunny is here.
Yep.
Yep, she's here.
Yep.
And today we're going to look around this temple and we're going to talk about crypto. That's right.
Yeah, but actually we can't go in.
Okay, so before we start with the websites and stuff, I just want to say how to buy and sell crypto in Thailand 2002. About the first thing is only to use the money that you can spare. Now, I have some crypto. I have Ripple, as you might know. This is an altcoin. I put the money that I could use and spare into that investment, right?
Yeah.
Before I did it, I went through in a book how much I had to spend, right? My room, my food, etc, etc, and etc, and then I had a certain amount left over. Now, I was very tempted to buy the Bitcoin, but I didn't have enough. In fact, I was only about 2,000 baht short. But my heart wanted to do it, buy the Bitcoin. My wallet said no. So that's why I bought some Ripple. Obviously, you have to buy low and sell high, right? Again, you can go onto YouTube, you can read blogs and whatever to give you the best chances of making a good investment. This video is only to show you how to buy and sell crypto in Thailand 2022. No financial advice whatsoever.
Sponsored by Khema.
Good. Like. The first thing we're going to talk about is the setup, right? You need to set up correctly. So, you will need Google Authenticator. Google Authenticator looks like this, as you can see. This is for security reasons. You're putting your money into an investment. Make sure your password on your Gmail is nice and strong. Again, Google Authenticator, you need to be using this, right? Also, there are some very good apps, right? You can use News is a good app, and the website I'm going to show you has an app, right? And there's a little setup. You know how to set up correctly. Good. Are you a crypto warrior in Thailand? Do you have different websites? If you do, please comment down below. Also, it would be great if you like this video. Okay, the website we're going to be using is satangcorp.com. This is the website that most expats and even Thai people use, right? Okay, and it looks like this. And that's when we're going to go home and I'll show you around this website. Okay, so here's the website and let's log in. Log in with my Google account. So here is the Google Authenticator. So I'm going to go into my app and put the code in. The code is a one-time code. I'll put it in and I'll be back with you in a minute. And now, as you can see, I'm logged in with my email. Let's go to here. Cool, and as you can see, I've enabled my 2FA, which is my Google Authenticator. My ID is verified. So this is all the things that you will have to do to start to be able to buy Bitcoin and sell Bitcoin. Now, it did take me about an hour and a half to get through everything, to register, to get everything authenticated, my address, my passport. So you do have to fight it to get in. There's also a YouTube video to show you exactly every step you have to take. Unfortunately, this video is in Thai language, but you can follow the pictures as you do it on your computer. Let's go to the market, and when we go to the market trade, let's go to the trade, and here you've got the support button where you can talk to people if you have any problems. You can do this during the login as well. So anyway, there's the website, and let's go back to the temple. Hey, welcome back to Wat Khema. So I use satangcorp.com as my wallet. But if you are deciding to invest a lot of money, I suggest you invest in a Ledger X Nano. The Ledger X Nano looks something like this. This is a secure wallet that's on you all the time. I will put a video link down here to show you exactly what this wallet can do for you. Okay, so are you a crypto warrior? Are you interested in crypto? Get your questions and your comments down below. Okay, so I think I'll leave it there. Again, if you have any more questions, you can put them down in the comment below.
We will answer that.
Peace,
questions.
love, unity. Please like and subscribe. Take care.
Don't worry,
See
we'll
ya.
answer the questions.